Well, I think Graham and Elizabeth, even as the season draws to its close, I think they're still kind of at the infancy of their relationship and still discovering each other. But I think he sees normality, you know, a chance for like a normal life, you know, the whole sort of 2.4 children, you know, house with a garden kind of thing, stability and normality and a chance at sort of, you know, the typical sort of American lifestyle, I guess. But it's probably always slightly out of reach for Graham. It's probably something that he's just not built for. But I think he sees that possibility. You know, and there's also the added thing that she is the granddaughter of Mason, who runs the company. He's the CEO. So, you know, perhaps in the back of Graham's mind, that's a massive advantage. I don't think he approaches her and starts dating her for that reason. But I think, you know, subconsciously that's definitely a factor.